It's only me, Claire Baker, former Clutterholic, founder of clutterclearing.net. I have a very big and exciting announcement to make. Clutter clearing is 18 years old. I have been completely clutter-free, touch wood, since 2001, and January marks the point at which I became completely clutter-free. It also means that clutterclearing.net is also 18 years old because I started clutter clearing when I successfully cleared my own clutter and discovered that the process and the method that I used actually worked for anyone with any amount of clutter, even working for hoarders. So it's a significant moment, January 2019, the 18th birthday of clutter clearing. To celebrate this, the new website is now live. And you will notice on the website that there is also a new logo. I thought, well, clutter clearing is turning 18, officially an adult. I think it's time for a fresh new look. So if you go to clutterclearing.net, you will be able to see the new website. You'll be able to see the new logo. You will also be able to see our new Clutter College courses, all of which are 12 weeks long, all of which mirror the academic year, all of which are available either in person, coming here to my home in Banbury, joining me here in my lounge, or they are available privately by telephone or Skype. So if you live outside the UK, or you live in the UK but you're not able to travel to Banbury and Oxfordshire once a week, then you can have a private course with me. We'll cover exactly the same things. You will learn the same things. You will do the same things as those who join me face to face each week here in Banbury. So do go and have a look at the website. I should probably call it the birthday website, shouldn't I? Because of Clutter Clearing turning 18. Do let me know if you find anything on there that doesn't make sense, or if there's any information missing. I'm sure you're familiar with the fact that if you keep looking at something, you tend to get to the point where you see what you want to see, or because you wrote it, you understand it, whereas other people may not. So please do let me know if there's anything on there that I need to clarify, that any typos. If you would be my proofreaders of the website, I would be very grateful. Do let me know. There's plenty of contact buttons on the website where you can get in contact with me. So pop over to clutterclearing.net, check out the new website, the new courses and the new logo, and I shall speak to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.